some English dancing? Yes. Yes. Come onto the floor. Come and bring a partner onto the floor. And we will start. You have your dance cards. Make sure you have a dance card so you know. The couple nearest the band, the couple over here, are the number one couple. Number one couple away. The couple on that side, couple number two. Couple number two wave, good. Facing the band, couple three. And over that side, number four. Remember your numbers. Remember. The dance starts like this. Everybody, turn and face your partner. Face your partner. Yeah? And you're going to pass your partner and dance past them until you see somebody new. So pass your partner, go forwards and find somebody new. Yeah? Pass your partner. Now, couple number one. Couple number one only couple number one. Couple number one, keep swinging. Number one, keep swinging. And everybody else, back. Yeah! And they swing, and they swing, and then they swing. Couple number one, hold your partner's hand. Couple number one, your partner's hand, and you are going to go and visit the set. So go to couple number two first of all, and you do a bow or a curtsy with them. Then go to couple number three, and you do a bow or a curtsy with them. And then couple number four, bow or a curtsy. Good. Back to place. And back to place. Everybody is now back at place with your partner. Hold your partner's hand. Everybody hold your partner's hand. Couple number one, make an arch. Couple number one, an arch. And one and three, change places. One and three, change. Good. Couple number two, make an arch. And two and four, change places. Couple number three, make an arch. Change places. Couple number four, arch, change. And we do the arching again. Couple number one, arch, change. Two, arch, change. Three, arch, change. Four, arch, change. Everybody hold hands in a circle. Circle 8 people and circle to the left. Go. Dance and 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 dance. Stop. Take your partner in a promenade hold. Cross your arms. Promenade hold. Everybody take your partner in a promenade hold and promenade the other way. Anti-clockwise, all the way back to place. Perfect. And then the dance starts again. We do one more walkthrough very quickly. Face your partner. The dance again. Face your partner, everybody. Face your partner and dance past your partner. Go. Dance and dance. And four kick balances. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And swing. 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 And swing. Go back to place. Back and back and back. Kick and jump and jump and jump. And swing and swing. And swing. And swing. Couple number two. Couple number two. Swing your partner. Keep swinging. starts with number 2. Number 2, arch, change, go. 3, arch, change, go. 4, arch, change, go. 1, arch, change, go. And again, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Everybody back at home. Join hands in a circle. Circle to the left. Go. And left, and left, and left, and left, down, left, and left, and left. And promenade. Promenade, 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 promenade. All the way. Zinglet. Home. Good. Then the dance goes again. Next time through would be the number 3s who swing. You get the idea. Yes? Everybody happy? Good. An introduction and then we pass to a partner. Ready? Let's go. Pass. Kick balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing. Go home. Kick balance. 1, 2, swing.